Welcome to JH. Wilfredsmith.com is an online fashion store that claims to sell the latest trendy clothing and accessories for both men and women. You'll find the usual suspects here: jackets, sweaters, and dresses at various price points. But the big question on everyone's mind is whether this site is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Stick around, because we're breaking down the details, and trust me, the math isn't matting. First, let's look at their history. The website proudly claims the company was established in 1999, which sounds very prestigious and reliable. However, domain records show the site was actually registered in September 2025. Apparently, they've managed to master time travel alongside fast fashion, which is quite the business pivot. This massive mismatch immediately suggests their long history is about as real as a $3 bill. Next up are the product images. After a quick look, it's clear that many of these photos were simply lifted from the internet rather than being original shots. It's much easier to run a boutique when you don't actually have to own the clothes you're selling, right? This raises the obvious concern that what you see on the screen is definitely not what's going to show up in your mailbox, if anything shows up at all. The site also mentions a parent company called Drax Capital Limited, complete with a company number to look official. The problem is there's absolutely no verifiable link between this entity and the online store. It's a classic move: throw some corporate-sounding jargon at the wall and hope nobody checks. Without any transparency, trusting them with your credit card info is a very bold and likely very expensive choice. Even the contact details are a mess. On the surface, you've got an email, a phone number, and a physical address. But a quick search reveals the address is just another copy-paste job from the web. It seems they're sharing an office with every other questionable site on the planet. When a company can't even tell you where they actually live, you should probably stop knocking on their door. Finally, let's talk about those reviews. If you check Trustpilot, you'll see plenty of 5-star praise about awesome quality and professional staff. However, notice how the wording is almost identical across dozens of posts. It's as if they're being written by a very hard-working, very repetitive robot. These genuine customers seem to have the exact same vocabulary, which is a massive red flag for fake or incentivized feedback. So, is Wilfredsmith.com legit? Based on the fake history, stolen images, mystery company links, and suspicious reviews, the answer is a resounding no. There are more red flags here than at a lifeguard convention. We strongly advise you to proceed with extreme caution or, better yet, just keep your money in your pocket. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.